Tesla brings Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red Model Y to Giga Texas ahead of Investor Day. Let's go Cherry Red, Midnight Cherry Red. We both love the red. We both love the Quicksilver. These colors would be welcome additions. They're currently in Europe. They're in the Berlin Gigafactory. Lovely, lovely stuff. I'd probably go for the Quicksilver.
Okay, yeah.
Myself, I've always been a fan of silver cars. I hope they nailed the silver. That'd be sick. And it comes to North America sooner than later. But they don't have it in the paint shops over here yet, unfortunately. We have to wait a little bit. But they brought them there for Investor Day, not Battery Day. What am I talking about? Today, at what time? That's coming soon, is it not?
I think it's tonight at 7 p.m.
Oh, yeah, it's always late at night.
7 or 10 p.m.?
It's always, if I want to catch it, it's late at night.
Yeah, probably 10 p.m.
So anyway, it's happening soon. And by them bringing them there, maybe, just maybe, there's an announcement to be made about those new colors being introduced in North America, which I am here for. Here for it, Will.
Yeah.
I might have to pick one of those up.
Really?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Let's see. The presence of Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red at Giga Texas ahead of Investor Day bodes well for the facility. So far, the two colors are only available in vehicles produced at Gigafactory Berlin, since that facility is equipped with the company's most advanced paint shop. Considering that Giga Texas is Tesla's newest factory so far, one could infer that it's also equipped with a paint shop that's comparable, if not better, than Giga Berlin. It would then not be surprising if Giga Texas eventually offers unique color options such as Quicksilver, Midnight Cherry in the future. Love it. Let's go. Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry are made possible only through Tesla's most advanced paint shop, which allows up to 13 layers for depth and dimension. The colors are made from highly pigmented paint that's designed to change depending on the viewing angle and light. This is something that's been happening with other automakers. They've had these advanced paint shops in the past. It wasn't the most immediate priority for Tesla when they were trying to ramp up production and get these vehicles out in the world. But then now they're a more mature company and they're like, okay, we can start to offer more colors, better colors. Let's do it.
Yeah.
My full support.
Dude, it looks really nice. Both of them. Both of the colors. So, yeah, good stuff.